Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Gboard app. Grant full access so Translate can work between apps. Tap the globe to open Gboard, then go to Settings and enable Translate. This activates the Live Translate button on the keyboard. Choose a source and a target language now so the keyboard knows how to convert your input. Once done, make sure voice or handwriting input is enabled if you plan to speak or write. That gives you faster, hands-free translation. Now you'll apply Translate in a real conversation. Open Messages, Mail, or any app and switch to Gboard using the globe key. Tap the Translate icon at the top. Confirm the source and target languages shown so you don't accidentally translate the wrong direction. Then type or tap the microphone to speak. Gboard translates as you enter text and shows the result inline. This lets you send the translated text directly or copy it. It's faster and keeps context intact. To finish, send the translated text or tap copy to paste it where needed, and use the arrows to flip languages if you need a quick reversal. If translation feels slow or stops, toggle full access off and on in settings, then force quit and reopen the host app to refresh permissions. If Gboard detects the wrong source language, manually pick the source at the top. This prevents misinterpretation and gives you accurate results. One quick restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.